So as you seen that activities performed by the students and they have shared their how they prepared and what is the fraction of each and everything, window, gate and the whole house and roof also. Now I will ask what they are feeling. So one by one let me ask, yes, how you are feeling by this activity?
I am feeling happy by this activity.
I am so happy and enjoy for this activity.
I feel good and learn so many things from this activity.
With this activity, I learned about fractions, and it was very interesting activity.
It was a great experience for me as I learned so many things and this activity is so much fun. This activity was very fun for me and I am very happy to learn fraction in such a playful way. From this activity I learned fraction very well. In this activity I learned very well with fraction house and such a lovely way. It was great experience to learn about the fraction part. It is very much fun. Thank you.
By this activity, I get to know that fraction are not hard, they are easy.
By this activity, I have got to learn what is fraction and it was an amazing experience from my side.
By this activity, I learned fraction in funny ways.
Good morning everyone. This is an activity based on fraction. This is a fraction house. 4 squares of same sizes and consists of 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 to be pasted on a house. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to give a presentation based on fraction. This house have door as 1 by 3, window as 1 by 4 and roof as 1 by 2. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is the activity of fraction house. This is a fraction house. The roof of the fraction house is 1 by 2. The window of the fraction house is 1 by 4. The door of the fraction house is 1 by 3.
Good morning everyone. This is fraction house. On the roof we are having 1 by 2 which represents half. On window we are having 1 by 4 which represents quarter and we have a door which represents 1 by third and this is one hole which makes up the whole house. Thank you. This activity based on fraction. This is a fraction house. Same square parts are used on it. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 half, 1 upon 3, 1 third, 1 upon 4 quarter. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is a house. This is based on a fraction. It is the 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 and it is 1 by 3. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I will tell you about the fraction house. The fraction house. This is the door of the fraction house and the 1 upon third. And this is a window of fraction house is 1 upon fourth. And this is a roof of fraction house is 1 upon 2. And this whole house make one whole. Thank you.
Very good morning to one and all present here. We done a fraction activity. So let me show you what we have done. First we take some pieces of square and fold it. So as you can see, this is a roof of our house. This is 1 upon 2. This is half. And the window is 1 upon 4 which is half, quarter. And the door is 1/3 and the whole house is one whole. So as we know in the real life we can divide so many things in our real life. Thank you.
Good morning. This is an activity named the fraction house. This fraction house contains one square, one rectangle, and one triangle representing the triangle represents 1 by 2 fraction, which is half. The square represents 1 by 4 fraction, which is also called quarter, and the rectangle represents 1/3 fraction, which 1/3 fraction. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. This activity is based on fraction. We have done this activity to learn about fractions. So this is the roof of our house, which is 1 by 2 as half, and this is the window of our house, which is 1 by 4, and this is the gate of our house, which is 1/3, and the house is whole. From this fraction activity, we have understand that what fraction has been done from half, and fraction is used in reality to divide the portion into two equal parts. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is an activity based on fractions. This is a fraction house. In this we have one whole, 1/3 the door, and 1/2 the terrace. And we also have 1/4, a quarter as the window. Thank you.
So today we are going to perform an activity based on fraction, and we are going to make a fraction house. So each one of these child will make a fraction house, as they already I think did, some of you, and they will tell you that how they felt and what they learned from it.
Hello everyone, I am going to tell you about the house of fraction. So this is 1/1 whole, and this is the half, 1/2, and this is a quarter, 1/4, and this is 1/3, 1/3.
Hello everyone, this is an activity based on fraction. This is a fraction house in which you can see here is the roof 1 by 2 that shows the fraction 1 by 2. Here is the door of the house that shows the fraction 1 by 3. Here is the window of the house that shows the fraction 1 by 4. And this is the one whole, and that makes a complete house.